In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly repost content using Hootsuite. Whether you're managing multiple social media accounts or just looking for a streamlined way to share posts, Hootsuite makes it all easy. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open up your preferred web browser. Whether you're a fan of Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, any will work just fine. Once your browser is open, type in the URL hootsuite.com. This will bring you to Hootsuite's homepage, the gateway to managing all your social media in one place. Assuming you already have a Hootsuite account, go ahead and log in. Enter your credentials and you'll be welcomed to your Hootsuite dashboard where all the magic happens. Here, you'll have access to a variety of tools and options designed to optimize your social media engagement. Once you're in, direct your attention to the main menu. Here you'll find an option labeled Streams. Clicking on Streams will take you to the hub where you can view all your social media feeds in one convenient place. Before you go any further, you'll want to ensure that you have the relevant social media streams set up. For example, if you're looking to repost from Twitter, make sure your Twitter home feed is up and running in your stream. The same goes for Facebook or any other platform you're managing. Once your stream is set, you can move on to the next step. Now, it's time to find the post you want to share with your audience. Browse through the posts in your stream until you locate the one you're eager to repost. Once you find it, simply hover over the post and you'll notice some icons appear. Depending on the social media platform, you'll see options like share, retweet for Twitter, or repost. Click on the appropriate icon and you'll be well on your way. If you're feeling expressive and want to add a comment or message to accompany your repost, this is your moment. Personalizing it could enhance engagement and make your repost more relatable to your audience. Next, you'll need to decide when you'd like the repost to go live. Hootsuite gives you the flexibility to either post immediately, sharing your content with the world in real time, or schedule it for later, allowing you to plan your content calendar meticulously. Once you've made your choice, the final step is simply to click Post or Schedule, depending on your earlier decision. This official action completes your reposting process and ensures your post will appear when you've planned it to. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated reposting content using Hootsuite. Following these steps will certainly enhance your productivity and keep your social media presence lively and consistent. Thanks for watching and happy reposting.